Happy Sunday. Let me give you guys a little fit check, and if it looks like I'm crying or was crying, the answer is yes. I went to church and I couldn't get my cough to stop, and so I left church, which one makes me sad because I'm trying a new church and I really wanted to be there, but also I felt like I couldn't breathe, and I also didn't want to cough because it's a smaller church and everyone can hear it and probably see that it was me. So anyways, fit check. Hold on, you guys got it. Move back. There we go. Okay. Socks, Costco, Levi jeans, Walmart, sweater, Costco. I hope everybody has a great Sunday.